Ciao ragazzi, welcome back to Revolve headquarters. Today we're going to be making a classic pizza. It's the Diavola, the devil pizza. It's got spicy sausage, it's got salami, it's got olives, it's got chili flakes, tomato-based, mozzarella. It's just one of those pizzas that ticks all the boxes. And when you're having a pizza party, you want something like this for all those purists out there who really want their fix of a tomato-based pizza that packs a punch. So let's get started. Have a look at the ingredients. So I like to use Spianata Picante, which is basically a spicy salami. You can see it's got some black peppercorns in it as well. It's got a lot of flavor. It's got a really sharp, almost vinegary kind of kick to it, which we're going to bring up with a bit of chili flakes as well, just to give it a bit more of a punch. But you can basically use any kind of hot, spicy cured pork. I'm also going to add a little bit of pork sausage as well, just to give it more of a meaty kick. And then we've got some Kalamata olives and our mozzarella, and of course our San Marzano tomatoes. So let's get started. This really is a classic pizza. Okay, let's just open our dough ball. Done. Okay, so we're going to add our San Marzano tomatoes as the base. And now we're going to add our Spianata, our hot salami, and we can just break that up and place it all over the pizza. And this one's meant to be a bit excessive, so make sure you get a lot of salami on there. Everybody loves that flavor of salami, so make sure you really be generous with your salami. And then this here is a pork sausage. And what I do with the pork sausage, I just cut like that, and then I peel it, and I remove the casing. And by removing the casing, what you're doing is you're exposing the meat, and we can break it into small pieces, and that way you know that the sausage is going to cook really quickly, and it's going to be nice and crispy and full of flavor by the time the rest of the pizza is cooked. All the sausage around, again, be really generous. This is meant to pack a punch. This is meant to have lots of meat, lots of chili, and really just please all those purists out there. So, sausage all over, Spianata Picante all over, and now I'm just going to wash my hands and I'll put the rest of the ingredients on. Now, chili flakes. Add to your liking. I happen to love chili, so I'll probably put too much on. But you can also, if you don't want to use chili flakes, you can also get some green chilies, slice them into thin slices, put them all around. Red chilies, slightly larger chilies as opposed to like bird's eye chilies, and you can place them around, and that's really nice as well. And then we're going to add our Kalamata black olives. You can add any type of black olive. You could even add a green olive. I know it's controversial, but you could do. And now we're going to add our mozzarella. And for no reason really, I've kept them in slightly longer strips this time. It's really up to you. We just place our mozzarella all around. I tell you, when you put this pizza on the peel, you're gonna feel it. It's gonna be heavier than most of the pizzas that you put on your peel. It really, really packs a punch. I'm just gonna get a bit of Parmesan, finish it off, and then we'll get it in the oven. You beauty, look at that. That's a classic. Okay, let's put it on the plate. Mamma mia, che bella la pizza Diavola. I hope all this Italian that I'm speaking is correct. It could be completely wrong and construed as quite offensive, so I apologize if anyone's offended. I just get very excited when I make pizza. This looks beautiful. Look at the air, it's crunchy, it's soft, it's chewy. I'm gonna have to have a slice of this one. Now look, the sausage is all cooked nicely. Mamma mia. Look at the cheese on that. Oh, that's a naughty pizza. Oh, it's got a bit of a kick as well. Kelvin made me keep on taking shots of putting the chili flakes on. We ended up putting loads on there. Whoa! God, that's good, huh? You know, you go backwards and forwards and you come up with all these different pizza toppings, but sometimes there's a reason why classics are classics. That absolutely ticks all the boxes. It's cheesy, it's tomatoey, there's meat on there. Definitely enough spice on there. That's such a winner. I hope you enjoyed watching how to make the Diavola. Make it at your next pizza party. Make some comments down below and let us know what you think. Prego.